It's me. Let me show you a picture. Okay, did you guys meet my friend Kim?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
I remember.
We were friends when we were babies. Oh my god! Do you want to look at my mom has curly hair? Did you guys meet my mom? She's so funny. Did you meet her? Did you meet my mom? She's funny.
I met her. Yeah, she's funny.
I love her. She always does my laundry for me. Because like I always, you know, don't do my laundry. Oh, look, there's a black guy. Okay, this is a beach in Guam. Doesn't it look so pretty? It's like blue water.
Blue water. Look, there's Edward. What? Always judging me. Man, don't show pictures! Crystal, no one's gonna judge you!
She's about to leave, Kaiser.
You're gonna make Uncle Gary mad again.
I'm gonna show them a picture. Look, watch.
I know!
Oh, there, did you see? Look at my dad's G-Ride. Okay, that's all.
Crystal's getting mad.
You're recording this?
Oh, it's broken on that side, I think. Yeah,